So we've got Coffetek Vitro Duo LX espresso, and some clown has in moving it has broken one of the legs off. Now I'm not sure how this works underneath, it's part of the chassis or the base of it, so I'm going to have a look. I've just hoovered the beans out, it'd been standing for a while. I've just took the canisters out, emptied them. I'm going to tip it on its side on this pallet, but first I'm just going to drain the water out. You'd think this would have been drained down when it was being transported, but I don't think it was. So let's have a look. Oh, maybe it was. It was. Well, there's a make sure, isn't it? It's safe inside. I drained it down, but I managed to smash the feet and moving it. Oh, well, that's handy, because bit of a mess in it. And that looks like, what does it? And that looks like a bolted from inside the cabinet. I'll have to get the side off, which is that one and the one on the inside. Let's have a look. Well, there's the one I prepared earlier. I've got another machine here, so that just bolts through the base. I wonder if it's possible to just undo that and cheat, or whether indeed I've got to take the whole thing off. I might just fall through that, mightn't I? That's fine. Let's try something. Okay, tight. Pre-loop that. Ah, what a result. We'll do that now. Anyway. I'll get this on the bench, get it going. See if it's got any issues. It's been off a while. Give it a good clean, bit of a refurb. Brilliant. You alright?